Hey you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I've done like a makeup talking video, and today I'm really excited because that's exactly what we are going to be doing. I went all crazy with Pink Friday sale. I'm not guilty, to be really honest, because I think I've got makeup after a really long time. I was really looking forward to try out all of these hyped products. I have used some of them on my face, so I've created this look on Instagram. Let's talk about makeup, hair care, body care, and also I got a little bit of fragrances for that say. So yeah, without wasting much more time, I think we should get started. So let's start with the body care section. So from body care, I have like two of the body washes. So let's talk about them, and both of them are very different from each other. Like my first purchase from Bath and Body Works, and it was on a great discount. Otherwise, I don't think I would have ever like indulgently bought that. Bath and Body Works Into the Night. Look at the packaging. It is classic gold and black with this sparkly thing. I love the packaging. When I was like researching about the Bath and Body Works fragrances, this and the other one which I also got were like mostly talked about, and I haven't tried this, so I have to do that. Now this is 295 ml, and originally they are very expensive. It retails for around 2300, which I think I would have never bought, not even tried it. Okay, the smell, I mean the fragrance is very strong actually for my liking, but I have to try it once at least, and then maybe I can tell you all how this feels and also how this smells in the bathroom. So yeah, this one is the first, and I am really happy. Very new fragrance for me actually. Other body wash obviously is from this brand called Be Body Wise, and I am someone who deals with like back acne or wanted to try something that would help me get rid of all of those things. So yeah, I have heard a lot about this, not tried again, but and it exactly smells like this soap which I already use for my acne thing, and I don't know now if it is like the same. So yeah, I'll have to try, but it does smell like ditto same, like exact same fragrance. Now next is again from the Bath and Body Works, the body lotion in 1000 wishes, the small version. With this I also got the body mist again in the smaller variant. I like this smell. Very floral, very like fruity. So I've tried this. I had applied this because of the itch that I was having. It is also very like creamy, and I won't lie, it smells luxurious. I mean, I think this is going in my like favorites. But I love the smell, I love the fragrance. It gives all the like fruity and soft vibes. That's just what I like. Let's talk about some hair care products. The first thing what I have is I've seen all over the Instagram, I've seen all of the big influencers use that and promote like how. And it is from the House of L'Oreal in hyaluronic shampoo. So I have seen everybody like use this and kind of rave about this product, and I really am someone who has like oily scalp most of the time. If by using this the whole game changes, then I think this would also be my favorite. It is 72-hour purifying shampoo, and I think my scalp exactly needs that. I've not opened it also. I would really like to like smell it, like how does it smell. We'll try that. I think it smells like they're normal like shampoos, whatever they have, the first hyaluronic range. So the next hair care product is this by Be Blunt. It is their hot shot, and I was looking for a good heat protectant, and I've heard a lot more about this product. And also this morning when I was like blow drying my hair, I used this, and it gives very spa like fragrance. So that's a good thing about it. The fragrance is not too overpowering also. Now the next product is been my favorite, of course, and this one is a restock, and I've talked a lot about it. I've told a lot of my friends about it, and I've also made my brother use it, and he is very picky, but then he also liked it, and it is none other than my favorite hair mask from the house of Dove. This is such a game changer. I've spoken about it already, and I love the texture of it. And this gives you like soft hair and also shinier hair. So the next product is also a very impressive and also like the hyped product. And I think it is hyped for good reason, because I'm talking about the anti-frizz serum from Love Beauty and Planet. So I'm not a really big fan of this brand because I've used one of their shampoos and I did not like it. It was doing nothing to my hair, but I was really surprised when I used this, and also my brother used it because my brother also has like very long hair. So we both use these hair care products, and it's very tricky to like impress him, but then he was also impressed by this because it deals with really like frizziness. So this one also I think I'm getting again because it does whatever it claims, anti-frizz, it tames down the frizz. Well, the next part of the video is going to be about a lot of fragrances, and I have never been such a high on fragrance, but I don't know what happened, life happened, and right now I am looking for like fragrances which are different from one another, which is not more like vanilla, but they are kind of sweet, they are kind of chocolatey. So yeah, in this video also I think I have a bunch of fragrances which I am really excited to talk about. So let's get started with that. First on my list, of course, it had to be, because you know that it was and it is there all over Instagram. Everybody kinds of talk about it, and a lot of influencers promote this also. I have one of their favorite. It is the vanilla, smoke-in vanilla. I love that fragrance. It is so like cozy and warm, and it also lasts for quite a long time. It is their Oso Pistachio. I love the packaging. I've seen it and I've also heard a lot of reviews. It looks very similar to the bottle of Caramello perfume. The first time I like sprayed it, it doesn't give you that nutty or pistachio or the warm notes that it claims. So I was quite like upset because I had expected that it would smell like I'm walking into a good cafe or a bakery for that say, but that did not happen. But then I waited and I actually had applied this during school hours. So then during the school hours, I felt that the fragrance of this is kind of changing. It is then turning into quite the nutty flavor or whatever the fragrances that it is claiming. So that's quite interesting. Take a little bit of time to settle, so let it settle, and then it turns out into most beautiful like that nutty pistachio tone, which I really love. When I was like scrolling through Nykaa app, I was quite intrigued by the perfume collection of the Nykaa. I've heard that they are dupes of so many other luxurious perfume, but today I've not got any of that, but I've got one of their perfume in this variant, and the packaging is quite similar to the Plum, like the smaller bottles. I mean, it is exactly the same actually if you look at it. Only the name is different, but other than it's pretty simple, basic. So now this claims to have like floral and citrusy tone to it, which it does has actually, but I have not tried it, so I cannot claim on the lasting power. But I think it's for me, this was like a trial thing. I wanted to try one of their perfumes and I got this one. So I feel that this perfume is not something very exciting. It does not excite me, or it feels like any like basic perfume. So I'm not really happy with the fragrance of this one, but I think for daily use I can use it because it's in the small size also. So the next thing that I have is another thing from Bath and Body Works. It is this body mist in, so this is 1,000 wishes. Again, I got both of these together, and of course it smells so good. I love this, and I think small bottle really works for me because then I'll get to buy something else from them. So I think this was a win-win situation. So let's talk about skincare. So in skincare, I have the Plum Niacinamide range face wash. I love their niacinamide toner. I've spoken a lot about it. I finished my bottle, but I wanted to try something else from the same range. I did not get the serum. I wanted to get the face wash first, and maybe then I can get a serum. I've tried it. It's very gentle on the skin, like very basic face wash, nothing great. Also, it does not have overpowering fragrance, which is a good part. So I got another combo from the Face shop, and this is their rice ceramide range. This one is the toner. It's pretty thick on the skin, but I think it takes a little bit of time to like melt in your skin. And then this one is the smaller version. I got the small bottle just because I wanted to try it, and this one is also very creamy, feels luxurious on the skin, and glides like butter. So I am really happy with this purchase also. The next thing what I have is again a restock. I had this before, it from the Etude House. Now it's kind of dupe of the Benetint, this one. I really like this on the lips, also on the cheeks. It's like a multi-purpose product, and I love the watery effect that it gives, and it also lasts very long. So really happy with this. I got freebies. This one, I got two freebies. This is the Plum glowing cream, and these are the cute little bottles of the lotions, caramello, marshmallow, and then also Hawaiian, no, also little sunshine. So freebies makes everyone happy. Okay, so the next thing I got two of the lipsticks. One is House of Lakme. It was their most like viral shade, and I really wanted to try it. It's in the shade Chocolate Temptation, which looks very like earthy, and I love the mousse finish. And then again, a different lipstick, what I'm wearing right now. I mean, I think this is one of my favorite. And I've never had like a red lipstick. And I thought that it would not look that good because it's too bright. But look at how flattering it is looking on my face right now. I am in love. This is in the shade Bite, and I love the formula and also the texture, and it is giving main character energy for sure. And I think with that we come towards the end of this Nykaa haul. I hope you all enjoyed watching this one, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you all haven't already. I'm going to update you all once I try and test all of these products for longer time. I think that would be like an ideal time to like talk about all of these things again. So also comment down your favorite pick from my haul, and also comment which are the other things that you would like me to try out. I would love to do that. Follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you soon in the next video very soon. Until then, bye.